is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I haven't vlogged for a while, like a week or so. But today's vlog is gonna be about me going to the skate park. Sheesh! But yeah, I got my board. I'm riding there because I don't got like a bike or something, because my bike tire popped again. But you know, we can still ride our board there. Probably gonna take like 20-30 minutes, but it's fine. And today we rocking the Black Forces. You already know. But yeah, I'm meet up with my friend, I think. Yo, made it to this trail. My friend's not even here yet, but he's hungry, and I just got done eating. So, but when he gets here, we're gonna go to a restaurant or something first, because he's hungry, and he's gonna get food. And yeah, but in the meantime, I'm gonna try to do some tricks that I probably won't even land. But okay. I think it's the Forces, cause like it's so thick, I can't feel my toes. I'll give it more chance though, but I should have brought my Vans, bro. But this is my first time wearing my Forces while skating, so I don't even know what to tell you. But another trick, here we go. I came in ollie, bro. I came in ollie. I think it's the Forces. Not it. Well, let's do some fly ground. See if I can land anything. Oh, it's so weird. So fat, bro. The shoes is like so fat. I can't feel it. Hey guys, we're gonna try ollie now, since I clearly can't get the pop shove it. Okay, the ollie was good. Ollie was good. That's it for training. I give up, man. Okay, so it's like a freaking hill thingamajiggy over there. I'm gonna ride down it, and I'll hop on it like this. Okay? Shit. We're straight. This is what boredom does to you. I guess. Take two. Well, that kind of worked. But he's still not here yet, so I'll just get back to you guys when he's here. I don't want to waste my battery and stuff, but see ya. Okay guys, so my friend still hasn't come yet, and my board is like a little loosened, so I'm gonna tighten the trucks real quick. Like, how'd you like my board? But yeah, I'm gonna tighten the trucks real quick, cause like it's loose, you know. I'm gonna just do a half spin on the trucks, and I think I should be good. But like, I really need a new board. Like, who got me? My birthday is like in 3 months. But yeah, let's try it now. Oh, it's better. I could probably lend it this one. Like, just gotta keep trying, you know. Almost. But just gotta keep trying, you know. Skateboarding is about trying again and again and again and again. You feel me? Like, if you really want to land it, you gotta do it over and over again. There's no stopping till you make it. Like, watch this. I'm gonna make it. Fuck. I'm not gonna make it. But watch this. I'm gonna make it. Fuck. Guys, I'm still pretty new at this. Okay. But like, I'm gonna make it. Well, I made it, but I fell off last second. Well, my trucks are better now, so I guess I'll just wait for them again. Oh, look.
What's that?
Look, he finally got here, guys. Like, sheesh. Like, probably hella loud. But yeah, guys. He's gonna go eat some ass now. I'll get back to you guys later. Guys, like
we could have gone down this, but like hella high, and he didn't record.
Yeah, bro. Like, look back there. That shit was high, and I forgot to record. And then we crossed the creek too, and I forgot to record. Like, I was super ninja. Crossed that shit with ease. But you know, we're gonna go get some food. Well, he's gonna go get some food. And fuck, my arm is tired. I should have brought my tripod. But yeah. Yo, doggo.
Where's that church at?
Oh, there was no church. There's no church.
Wait, that's Little Caesars?
Yeah.
I'm getting out of there.
Okay, guys. Like,
We're barely farting.
so like, you got your food. How do you feel about it?
I'm good.
Like, review?
Probably like 15 out of 10.
You already know. This place is like very good. Like, it's called Mo's Tacos.
Uh-huh.
Located on,
Right next to McDonald's.
yeah, right next to McDonald's over there. If you want their phone number, 484-1988. Okay, guys, he about to ollie off. Nice. Not ollie off.
Huh?
Ollie off?
Me?
Yeah.
That's right. You saw what just happened?
I like right here. Hold it right here. Yo guys, we street skating. Look at that shit. Sheesh. Street skating. Fucking awesome. Sheesh.
But your food costs money.
Yeah,
Where's the guy?
I don't know, somewhere in there. But like, look at this shit, guys. Sheesh. Is this pretty?
Yeah, like I ain't never seen this because you know I don't go here.
Yeah.
I live in Guadalupe.
Yeah, Guadalupe. Isn't that in like Minnesota? But yeah, guys, look at this.
Minnesota. You don't gotta pay.
I don't even know.
We
But
can
yeah,
chill
guys,
on the grass.
that's about it.
Easy vlog.
We're probably gonna go to trail. If it's too dark to vlog, then I guess this is the end. But yeah. Okay, guys. You know, we're trying to find a different way in here. Like, we can tell you. But like, look. Sheesh, this is a zoo parking lot. You probably can't see a lot of stuff right now, but we're at a parking lot right now. Guys, look at it. Probably can't see a lot of stuff, but like, pretty dope, pretty dope, pretty dope.
That's how you know if you get lost, go that way.
Yes, sir.
That's just hella shit.
I know. Why would I just camera picks it up?
Probably, maybe. I mean, you got the front camera.
I need to get a camera.
Shit over here.
Like an actual camera. Look how pretty that shit is. Like, that shit's go far. Fucking nice.
They're probably like a low electric solar panel.
Yeah, they're probably LEDs. Cause like LEDs, they don't take that much shit. Oh, look at that, guys. That's pretty dope.
Why is it so big? It's so all the way over there.
Don't you think? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I know.